Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. So I got mine from Target on sale for $929, $929 on sale from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking the camera out, but before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the presentation for the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. Here we have the camera itself, so pretty simple presentation from Canon. Let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. So here for this side of the box, here you have the camera again with the PowerShot V1 branding. Here we have the warning label, and for this side of the box here, it talks about how it comes with the video camera, the battery pack, the strap, and the windscreen, which we'll be checking out soon. And for this side of the box here, you have your legal information and how this has these capabilities. And yeah, so pretty simple presentation from Canon, and let's finally unbox the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. So I am super excited for this camera. This is a video dedicated camera. The first thing that we see once you unbox this is the reading materials, such as the manual and all that warranty stuff. Let's go ahead and lift this up, and here we have the camera along what it comes with. So pretty simple presentation. Let's go ahead and lift this out and take a look at the camera, which I'll put to the side. And let's go ahead and take a look at what it comes with. Here you have the battery pack, the windscreen, and the strap. And let's go ahead and lay it all out on the table, and this is what you will get in the packaging. So here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at the manual for the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. So this talks about getting started, so lots of reading material, and it also includes different languages. Here you have this pamphlet, which talks about how you can transfer your photos using the image.canon, and you can download the Camera Connect app by Canon if you want to transfer photos from your camera to your mobile device. So really helpful. And what we have up next is the Canon Limited Warranty, your warranty card for your Canon camera. So it comes with different languages for different parts of the world. You might need it if you need it. So here's the Canon European warranty system. And yeah, so that's all for the reading material. Let's go ahead and take a look at this battery. This is the LPE17 battery pack that powers the Canon PowerShot V1. This is the same battery pack that can power the Canon EOS R100, which is the camera that I have and recently unboxed here on this channel. So super compact battery pack that we have here. And unfortunately, it does not come with an adapter to charge the battery pack. So here is the battery charger. This is from my Canon EOS R100. But I believe that you can charge this inside the camera with the USB-C cable. So it does not come with the power charger here. Next is your windscreen. Windscreen to prevent wind noises. So you would attach this on the top side of the camera. And here Here we have the strap, your lanyard, that you would attach it to your camera. So if you're filming by hand, you would want this on your wrists. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. So the Canon PowerShot V1 camera has a 22.3 megapixel 1.4 inch dual pixel AF CMOS sensor. Here's the camera. Really love the build quality that we have here. Really like the simple, sleek, minimal design. Here you have this built-in 16 to 50 millimeter lens. This can record record 4K up to 60 frames per second. And here's the back side of the camera, the Canon PowerShot V1. Here you have this screen. I believe this is a 3-inch screen, and you can always rotate it in and out however you feel like it. So that is the 3-inch LCD display. And here you have these functions and your buttons. So you have your menu and your playback button. And here's the top side of the camera where you can attach all the accessories. Here you have your on and off switch, your record button, and your dial. So here you can switch between photo or video settings. And like I said, the Canon PowerShot V1 camera is a video dedicated device. Here on this side of the camera, here you have your mic, your aux jack, your USB and HDMI ports. And on this side of the camera, here you have your built-in cooling fan. And this also has internal ND filters. And here's the bottom side of the camera, here where you would find your tripod mount and your compartment for your standard SD card and your battery pack. And yeah, so that is the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. And let's go ahead and take this outside and record some test footage. So we are outside in Long Beach, California with the Canon PowerShot V1, and let's go ahead and record some content. So here we are at the Shoreline Lighthouse, the skyline of Long Beach. And here is the Queen Mary in the distance. So here we are at the Pasadena City Hall in California, and here, look how beautiful this public building is. So we are inside the Pasadena City Hall, and here is the beautiful fountain inside this courtyard. So we are here at the Griffith Observatory, and behind you is the beautiful Griffith Observatory building. Such an amazing, beautiful sight here. So here's the city of Los Angeles at night here at the Griffith Observatory. Really love this night shot here with downtown Los Angeles in the distance. That will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. Hope you enjoyed the test footage from the Canon PowerShot V1 camera. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this camera. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on next one.